Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've connected power and HDMI. Now switch the TV to that HDMI input so you see the Chromecast welcome screen. Once done, use your phone or tablet to open the Google Home app. The app discovers the device automatically when on the same Wi-Fi. Make sure your router is stable and that guest mode is off unless you want it. This avoids network conflicts. If prompted, accept pairing codes shown on both screens so the device is authenticated and ready for setup. You'll follow the Google Home prompts to name the Chromecast and assign it to a room. This helps voice control and device grouping later. Once you enter Wi-Fi credentials, the Chromecast often downloads a firmware update. Let it finish, because updates improve stability and codec support. Make sure your router supports 4 GHz or 5 GHz depending on range and interference. If you plan to cast 4K content, enable a faster band and confirm your TV HDMI port supports the needed HDMI version. To cast, open a supported app and tap the cast icon, then pick your Chromecast. You'll see media appear on the LED TV immediately. You can control playback from your device or pause and adjust volume with the TV remote once HDMI CEC is enabled. This links controls for convenience. If casting fails, restart the Chromecast and router, and confirm both devices are on the same network and the app has local network permission. One key tip: rebooting often clears transient network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.